So what? It doesn't matter, bro. Just be you. So what up?
What's up, man?
Why you greeting me and stuff?
Hey?
Why you, bruh? Your favorite team is Orlando Pirates.
No,
Then why you wearing a full kit of Orlando Pirates, bro?
I don't know.
Bro, like any PSL team that you like. Tell me. Tell me like which PSL team do you like?
Which PSL team do you like?
Who?
You.
Me, I like. I'm not really a soccer fan, but if Sundowns is playing, I'd say Sundowns.
I guess I'd have to say. I'd have to say Orlando Pirates.
Orlando Pirates.
Yeah.
Only because you ran Orlando Pirates, or like do you like Orlando Pirates, or do you only say
No.
Orlando Pirates because you ran Orlando Pirates? Stuff?
I mean, I have been coached by Orlando Pirates player before.
Oh,
He used to live next door to me, John Moyeti.
John Wait.
Yeah.
Like here. Oh, wait.
No, so my mom and my dad are split up.
Mm.
And then my dad lives somewhere out in Four Ways.
Yeah, in forward.
And then John Moyeti used to live next door to us, and I'd go over to them to practice soccer.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool. That's cool. But can you play soccer though? Or do you just PlayStation?
I play soccer, I play PlayStation. That's why FIFA inspired me to play soccer.
Oh, it's PlayStation. You're good at PlayStation, eh?
Yeah.
In real life, I know why.
In real life,
I know it's 0 out of 10.
yeah, it takes a lot of time.
That's cool. Do you know Flame? You don't know Flame, ne?
No.
Bruh, this guy doesn't even know Nest C, bruh. Do you know Nest C?
Come on.
You don't know Nest C, bruh. He doesn't know Nest C, bruh. I'm sorry, but the kid doesn't know Nest C, bruh. Like, I don't know what's going on with South African hip hop, bruh, but when they said it was dead, like, at first I was like, name, what you saying, bruh? You got Nest C, nigga. People in South Africa don't even know Nest C, bruh. And I thought, like, everyone knew him. His favorite rapper, who's your favorite rapper?
Old time, or they still have to be alive?
Both. All time in my life.
It's old time. Juice WRLD.
Juice WRLD. I'm not shocked. And like alive.
And then currently he's alive. NLE Chopper.
NLE Chopper. Oh, so you like a trapper, ne? Yeah. This generation, I can tell. When were you born? 2010, ne?
Yeah. 2010.
For real?
Yeah.
You know, I know I'm good like, at like telling people's ages. Like, I promise, I swear. But I always get somebody's age, and I'm always right. I promise, bro. I promise. I don't know how I do it, but like I can like calculate you and size you in 2010. So which means you're 13.
I'm turning 13 this year. Yeah.
When's your birthday?
The 5th of August.
5th of August.
And then how old are you?
Me, I'm 23. But I'm 10 years older than you.
Sure.
I'm 10 years older than you. Bro. I was born in 2000.
Okay. Have you already turned 23?
Yeah. My birthday was last night. I'm 23 right now at the moment, bro. But yeah, it's late. But don't worry, bro. You'll also be 23 one day.
Yeah.
And you're gonna see that, like, in life, you shouldn't, like, you mustn't be in a rush to grow up, bro. Like, just enjoy yourself, being young, waking up, going to school, doing homework. I know doing homework stresses you out, right?
Yeah.
You don't like homework or something. But that's better than that lifestyle of homework and stuff. It's better than a lot of lifestyle. Understand? Because school, I wouldn't say it's the only way to make it in life, but I'm saying that school. Once you have finished school, it's gonna be like a backup for you.
Did you finish school?
Me, not really.
Or did you drop out?
I don't even know how to answer that question. But I think like I'm a dropout.
What
Well,
age were you at when you left school?
I was like 18. I was like grade 10 and shit.
18. Oh yeah, then I guess you.
I wasn't good at school, bro.
Neither am I.
Me, I'm not good in school. As people, we're not the same, bro. Understand? We're not the same. Someone's good at school, someone is not good at school, someone is good at doing something else, which is talented. So we're not the same, bro. So, but me, in school, I wasn't really good at it. I was always the like class clown and things that make people laugh and those type of things. You see, that's what I do most of the time.
Yeah.
So like you at school, are you a class clown or what?
I don't know. I don't know if you've ever had those two friends that were like always friends and would irritate the class and talk to each other all the time.
Hmm?
Yeah, I'm basically one of those.
Oh, you can talk.
But that was only last year. Then our teacher found out. Now she put us in different classes.
You in grade you doing grade 5 right now?
Grade 7.
Grade 7.
Yes.
Oh. No, how many years you got? You got 5 years, bro.
Yo.
That kid, that kid got 5 years, bruh. 5 years, 5 more years of school, bruh. Like, trust me, now, don't be in a rush to finish school and those type of things, bruh. Trust me. You just enjoy your life, getting homework, getting yourself some lunch money, getting yourself some you see lunch food, whatever you get, bruh. Just enjoy that part because like time goes by, and things gotta change. Now you gotta in life, like you gotta do things for yourself. So you gotta make for yourself. So I don't know, but yeah, it's a good thing. So like, what do you wanna become in life, though?
I want to become pro at soccer.
You know what?
I want to become a pro at soccer.
A pro soccer.
Yeah.
A pro soccer. Oh, snap. That's crazy. Like when you say pro soccer, like a professional soccer play.
Yes.
But bruh, you should be like training and stuff like that.
Yeah, no. I do train.
You do train, like, but do you like what do I like? Do you like train on like a daily basis, or like you just wanna be there, or are you serious about it?
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
Like that is serious. So you telling me that you're gonna make okay? Like what team you wanna play for?
When I'm older.
No, like now, like team you wanna play now. There's people your age playing for big teams. What team you wanna play for now?
Like for now, since I'm not that good to becoming in one of the professional South African teams, Orlando Pirates, I got extra soccer lessons at Panorama FC,
Uh,
and yeah,
oh, Panama FC. So that's the team you
I
wanna
mean,
play.
it's just an extra lessons. I'm not practicing for the club. I'm not playing for the club yet. It's just that I'm trying to become better so that they can recognize me, so that I can play for them.
Okay, I understand, but like, what's your dream team that you wanna play for? Like you, like now at the moment, like now. And who's your favorite soccer player at the moment?
Okay, so my dream team that I want to play for, is it for like when I'm older, or the team that I really want to be playing for?
Like the team you wanna play for, like your whole life. It doesn't have to be older. You can play. You can play for your biggest team
It's
like
gotta
right
be
now.
the English Football Club of Manchester United.
Oh, that's your favorite team.
Yeah.
Oh, the boy
Even
wants to
though
play
we're
for.
losing to Liverpool 7-0, we beat Barcelona 2-1.
I saw that sad, bro. I'm sorry for that, bro. Yo, I'm sorry for that, bro. That's sad. That's sad. How did that even happen, bro? I just heard it 7-8, but I was like, what?
Yeah, I don't know.
Was it like, were they playing for a cup, or was it just a match, or
It was
what?
just
Like,
a match. Luckily, we won. Oh, it was kind of embarrassing as well.
Mm.
We only won a cup 6 years ago until like this year. We won the Carabao Cup. We beat Manchester City, we beat Liverpool, and then somehow we ended up in the finals, Newcastle United, and we beat them 2-0.
okay, but you guys got beaten 7-8, but like you guys let Ronaldo go. Like, it's your fault. Like, what did you expect?
Eric
How can
Ten
you how
Hag,
can you let Ronaldo go like that, bro?
I don't know, man. Eric Ten Hag just decided to keep him on bench because he's basically a Messi fan. That's what I can say.
Oh, you think he's a Messi fan? Oh, so the coach is a Messi fan. Oh, okay.
Maybe, I don't know. But then, luckily, when Ronaldo was in his new club, he got to play against Messi. He scored 2 goals
I
against
saw
him.
that. But you lost though.
He lost 4-5. It was a
lost.
close game, especially
Was
those
it 4-5?
Yeah.
I thought it was 3-2.
The score's 4-5.
Or 4-5. Oh.
It's good for a little club to do that well against a very professional team.
Yeah, obvious. Ronaldo is in the team. Soon as Ronaldo is in the team, it's no longer a small club, bro. Understand? Because now, like, I had actually like on the Instagram page that team like it gained like 3 million followers within like 24 hours, bro. Soon as they posted a video of
Since
Ronaldo signing within 24 hours, bro, 4 followers, bro,
they got followers if Ronaldo joins the club. Yeah.
bro.
It's called the Ronaldo effect. Whichever
Yeah,
club
yeah,
will
yeah,
join,
yeah, yeah.
whichever club this guy joins,
Everyone goes for it, bro.
it's gonna gain over 3 million followers
I
in
bet,
24 hours.
I bet, bro. I bet. So he's a legend. So like what would you do if like you met Ronaldo?
That would be a good question. So what I'd want to do is I would shake hands, introduce myself to him, and
That's all.
no, maybe do more. Become friends with him.
Yeah.
Um,
Become friends with him, but that's kind of tough. You can't just become friends with Ronaldo, bro.
maybe I don't know.
I don't think
He's
so,
kinda-
bro.
he's not
I don't
friendly.
think so, but you can't just become friends with
Ask him if he
Ronaldo.
wants to become friends.
But like he's on like bro. People,
Yes, that chance is it's
but
difficult.
but people like click, understand? Like billionaires know billionaires, you understand? So it's on a different level. But I don't know him like that personal, but he might be cool with it. But I don't think that he.
Well, I mean, sometimes he'd be disrespectful to fans. The thing is, I don't know if I'd get a chance to meet him though.
No, the thing is that everyone wants to meet him. You
Yeah.
see, as soon as he comes here in this park and he takes
He's
a
gotta have
picture,
a bodyguard on him, that's why.
but not
Everyone
even
wants
one bodyguard. That guy gotta have like 10 to 15, bro, because he's a serious person. So you understand, but like I don't know, bro. I don't know. But if like there's ever a chance that he's gonna come to South Africa, like I wanna like buy the ticket for like VIP. I don't know
he was actually in South Africa
when.
in 2010. The World Cup was played there, remember?
Oh yeah, but that time, yeah, he wasn't really okay. He was still popping and stuff.
Well, I mean, he was very young though.
Yeah, but he wasn't like today. You understand? He wasn't bigger today because he gets bigger, bigger, bigger every time, bro.
He was only 25 when he played here.
In South Africa. Oh, he's 35, you know.
No, he's now
36,
he's
30 something.
38.
No way.
That was 13 years ago when he played.
No way.
In South
So
Africa.
how old is Messi?
Messi's 34.
34.
Yeah.
Oh, snap. All these people are still young though. They still have like. But unfortunately, he didn't like win the World Cup. So
He won the World Cup, Messi.
I'm saying like Ronaldo.
Ah,
I know Messi never is his first and last. I'm sorry.
who would you prefer, Messi or Ronaldo?
Ronaldo, bro.
Like,
Ronaldo, bro. Oh no, you see, to be honest, when it comes with like stats, like goals,
maybe Messi has more goals and assists together than Ronaldo.
you see like when it comes to goals, it comes to but like when it comes to football, I know Messi now he's like he's good. I know I'm not lying, he's a good player. But when it comes to Ronaldo, like he's even like an action. He looks like an action figure.
Yeah.
Like, so he looks like a player. But he looks like
Messi's lazy though. Messi would walk around almost 75%
but no,
of the game.
he does this to players though. He's lazy, but
Messi is greedy, but he can dribble very nicely.
yeah, true. But you know Ronaldinho?
Ronaldinho, he's the best skill in the world, I think.
Okay, not in the world.
Maybe, but
Yeah, the most well-known
the
skiller
most well-known skiller.
in the world. Yeah, most well-known. Can't say he's the
He
best,
can
but
do a lot. He's played for pro clubs like Barcelona and PSG and all of them.
nah, he's a legend. He won some World Cups.
He got arrested for fake passports.
I actually saw that.
Yeah.
I actually saw that. But the kid actually, Ronaldinho, he was actually one of my favorites. I'm not gonna lie. Do you know Samuel Eto'o?
Yeah, it's
Yo, you know him. Okay. Are you? I can see you into soccer. I can see your
if I'm
lens.
correct or not, he did play for one of. Oh, I'm scared I'm gonna embarrass myself here.
Right.
It was, yeah, maybe it was Senegal that he played for or Cameroon.
Senegal.
One of the two.
For it's like a country.
Yeah,
It's Brazil. He's from Brazil.
it's
Who Eto'o or who? Drogba.
no Drogba is from
Brazil.
Ivory Coast, isn't he?
He's from Brazil, bro. Neymar, Ronaldinho, Ronaldo, the old Ronaldo, you know it.
R9.
Yeah, and Pele. Those people, all of them people are from Brazil. All of them people are from Brazil, bro. And all these other people are they new, bro. But anyway, bro, what do you wanna tell the people, bro?
Tell the people.
Just tell them to subscribe to the channel.
Subscribe to the channel.
What, bro? You can't just say that, bro.
Just like subscribe to the channel, maybe with post notifications on, so that you don't miss any of our videos.
Tell them. And what's the name of the channel?
I don't think I'll want to share that now.
Why you don't want subscribers? What you want? Bro, don't be embarrassed, bro. Why you still be embarrassed and stuff like that? You can't be living like that. But anyway, that's it for today, guys. We'll talk next time. Subscribe for more. Subscribe to the kid. I don't know. He doesn't want to tell us his channel. Instagram. Don't have Instagram. Don't have Facebook. Don't have Mixit. Don't have Twitter. Don't have nothing.
Don't have nothing. Only YouTube, man.
You can only find the kid
On YouTube.
on YouTube. He doesn't want to tell us the channel name. But yeah, so we out. Tell them goodbye, bro.
Goodbye, guys.
Just like that, bro.
No, not like that. Okay, so yeah, we out. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Okay,
Post notifications on so that you don't miss any of our videos.
alright. Any like shout out to your favorite YouTuber?
No, not that all. No.
Nothing. Alright. Peace.